Testing, testing. 1, 2, 3.
On the floor, looking up, wanting more. This is so unreal. I must have been wrong. 'Cause your love is strong for him. Why would it not be? He's always there for you.
Hello, you guys, and welcome back. It's Caitlin.
And Linda.
And Linda.
Forgot my name.
You guys should know Linda if you guys are already following her, Iwakuni Foodie. It is officially cherry blossom season.
Yes, yay!
And we are cherry blossom hunting at like train stations.
Yes.
I don't know. I honestly didn't plan any of this. I've had a lot going on, so I'm just here for the ride and filming it.
There's a couple of stations in Iwakuni that are small. It's a very small line, but they have cherry blossom trees. And the train is typically a 1-car train or a 2-car train, and they're really cute. So right now we're at one of the train stations, Minami-Gōchi, and hoping to get the train and the cherry blossoms and some yellow flowers.
Yes, and it's like all this area, it's cherry blossoms. It's so pretty, and it's actually really, I think it actually feels really nice outside right now. Last year, Linda and I we rode the train.
We did.
We
Yes,
rode the
yes.
train. I just never uploaded the video about it. All of this was yellow flowers.
Yeah.
So we
we're
came
not
to
sure what happened.
Yeah, we're not too sure, but
Well done.
we're gonna take you guys with us.
Yes.
And how many train stops are we going to see?
We're going to this one, and then we're going to another one.
Yeah.
Yeah, the other one I've never been to. I've only seen it from when we rode the train, from the train.
Oh, so we haven't
And
seen
it
it
was
from
beautiful.
like not being a
Yes,
passenger.
but it
okay.
was very beautiful, so I've been wanting to go back and take pictures. So
Yay! So welcome to Iwakuni and spring cherry blossom season in Japan. Maybe if we stand where those yellow flowers are and just shoot from like,
then you get those and you get these trees.
yeah, fake it till we make it. It's so little, like I feel like I'm in, like look, like this clock. Why is this so cute? Like, it's the tiniest little station. It's like, it reminds me of like anime. So stunning.
Well, that wouldn't really work either, though. I don't think. I think this train is coming from that direction. I mean, so there is an option to film from like over here, and you can get cherry blossoms and yellow flowers too.
Let's walk around and investigate.
Okay.
It's 220.
Yeah, 225.
225 and it comes at 240.
244, I think,
Okay.
is when it arrives. So we want to be obviously in our place a few minutes before, because you're going to want to get it as it's coming.
This is so stunning. Like all these like wild flowers. So pretty, like the prettiest parking lot.
There's a blossom on the ground. I don't know why I get excited about seeing blossoms on the ground.
Linda's in her element. So pretty. Even though we don't have a ton of the yellow flowers, it's still so stunning.
Yeah, but it looks like they changed it and they're not letting people in anymore.
They have it all roped off, so we're not going to be able to take photos there.
Yeah.
Well, we can still take pictures from here. It's still pretty.
It is still pretty.
It's so cute and lonely. This really is like the tiniest little station. Like, and we're in the middle of nowhere. It's so cute.
It's a nice spot.
That recording? Okay, so what was I gonna say? I had a thought. It was not a great thought. Very cute train station. I literally have no idea what I was gonna say. Anyway, the train station is adorable. It is very, very small, literally in the middle of the countryside. Linda brought us here just to take pictures of it and show it to you guys. The train only stops for like a minute, so if you're here to take pictures, you really need to be on time and it's punctual. But now she's taking us to another station. What's the name of this one? Because I don't know what's going on.
Seiryū-Shin-Iwakuni, I think is the name. It's right next to the SHIN Station. It's
Oh,
right next to
it's really
Shin-Iwakuni.
close.
Yes.
Okay.
So we're like 11 minutes away.
Okay, that's my next question, is how far away it was.
Yeah, it's only about 11 minutes.
So we're train hunting today.
Yes.
Train and cherry blossom hunting.
Train
By the way,
and cherry
this lighting
blossoms.
looks really great on you right now.
Oh.
You know people love you on my YouTube.
Oh, they're so sweet.
It's like, where's Linda? I haven't seen Linda in a long time. Or I get messages that always say like, I love Linda, thank you for introducing me to her. And I'm like, I love her too, she's the best.
So nice. Well, I was gonna start doing, because you said they have, what is it, shorts or?
YouTube shorts. That's
Yeah.
what they're calling them. It's like Reels and TikToks, but on YouTube.
So I was gonna start, I thought, well, maybe I'll try a couple of those because those are short and easy.
And you can repurpose the content.
Yeah,
So
but
whatever you post on Instagram, you can put.
on YouTube, right?
Yeah.
Except when I go on my YouTube page, I don't have the option to post anything on my phone, and I was like, so I need to pull it up on the computer and see what's going on.
Is your YouTube the same as your Instagram? Iwakuni Foodie?
Yeah.
Okay, go subscribe to her channel so we can force her to post on it. I'm gonna bully you.
Yeah. I mean, it could be there is parking on the other side.
Do you want me to? I'll walk in around the corner and see. Hello. Wow, Oh, this makes you look so short. Maybe it'll be fine. Oh, is it coming?
No, I'm just trying to see. Oh my gosh.
Wow. Oh.
Oh my goodness. This is.
Wow. Oh yeah, there's parking over here. You're gonna roll with it, leaving it? Wow.
Oh my gosh.
We're gonna scale the
beautiful.
wall.
Oh, there's another car coming.
Wow, so stunning.
There's gotta be something, right? Stairs or something somewhere. Can't figure out where it's at.
ここでもね回れるんですよ。こっちからでもね。学校だからこっちから回った方が遠いからこっちから行った方が。
はい。こっちに今来たんですよ。
ああそう。
It's my first time coming here. I'm like, I don't know where anything is.
Yeah, so we just walked the wrong direction. This is what we needed.
Oh, the older gentleman?
Yeah, with his little wheelbarrow.
I was thinking like 14 after or something is what I had in mind. That's what I had in my head was like, oh, it's coming at like 3:14.
What time is it now?
It's like 3:12. So it came at
It's
like it came at
early.
like 3:11. That's well, but I might have the wrong time in my head.
That's okay. I mean,
But
we
this
got
is so
lost.
pretty. Yeah.
We got lost,
We
so
just-
there's nothing we could have done either way.
Oh,
This is still so
this is
stunning.
so it's so it's beautiful. I can't even talk. Oh. No, this is it. I wonder if it used to be Nisho.
Yeah, this looks old.
Train.
Or maybe an old actual train cart.
Yeah.
Wow. Maybe.
Yeah, I think so. Wow.
It's so little and kind of
I know.
like I do not feel safe in here if this was a train that they told me I needed to get on. Cool. I love these little train stations.
Yes,
they're
they're
so
so
pretty. Look how pretty they have like maple leaves.
I know, I saw that. So cute.
Since we missed the train, we're just doing a little
Yeah,
photo
we're just
shoot.
gonna take lots of pictures of these beautiful cherry blossoms. They're so gorgeous.
This is so
I
pretty.
know, and it's full bloom. It's perfect right now.
Like people down there just like living their life.
I know, looking at us like we're.
Hello. I should be like,
What are these people
hello.
doing?
They're not entertained.
We got time on our side. We're in a state of hope. I need you on my fire. I want you to know that every time you're away, I long for you so much I can find my way. We got everything here, at least to stay alive. And the time that we share makes it all worthwhile. Got this place on our own.
We're gonna take fake photos at the train station. Like we're
Pretend like
gonna.
we're going somewhere.
Yeah, Linda said we need a fake suitcase. Prefer a real one. I don't know if we actually like explained it though, but we got here like as the train was leaving because we also got turned around and we went the wrong way, which is honestly my fault. Not that we,
No, it wasn't your.
not that either of us knew what we were doing, but I was like, let's go this way, and I was wrong.
The wrong.
So we just took a lot of pictures. You can see them on our Instagram. Instagrams. This station in like the seas.
It's like kids seats.
It's a children's seat. So cute. Okay guys, that's going to wrap up today's cherry blossom and train hunting. I don't know what else you want to call it.
I know.
But we hope that you guys enjoy this video and we'll see you guys soon. Bye.